Story out of
Incredible
Massachusetts.
Story there. Well, temperatures here, we are going to be warming throughout the day into the weekend as well. Sunrise around 7:12 this morning will be in those 50s, but we climb to about 78 around the lunchtime hour and then hit about 84 around 4 p.m. Still above those seasonal norms where we should be around 75 this time of year. That's because high pressure coming into the region. That's what's going to be warming us up the next 3 days. Warmest day looks to be Saturday, but then Sunday back into those lower 80s, and then Sunday to Monday we will be cooling down because low pressure will be coming into the area. So especially Monday and Tuesday, you're going to see some much cooler temperatures, and winds will be building up starting Sunday afternoon. You can see some double-digit wind gusts in our mountain communities and desert communities as well. So we'll be tracking that. Air quality, though, it'll be good for that air quality because right now we're still in that moderate range with an AQI of 97 because calm winds, stagnant conditions, nothing moving out those pollutants. Over the next 10 days, like I said, we do top out around 84 today. Friday night football should be mild conditions around those 70s. Warmest day going to be Saturday at 85. That big cool down Sunday to Monday. So those lower 70s and then 79 for Halloween. Those 70s continuing until next Friday, back into those lower 80s for the Kern River Valley. Going to see a high of 85 today. Lows staying in the 50s for them. Tehatchee should be a high of 79, jumping back into those 80s. But check that out, into the 60s on Monday, and then Fraser Park high of 72 today and tomorrow, and then those low 60s though Monday, that 8-degree cool down, those low 60s continuing through next week.